Next in slides, let's look at one more integration that has come out with one of the new rollouts of new features in Google Slides. Over here in the sidebar, you may have noticed some new icons. Not only do we have Explorer down here that we can use, we also have integration with Calendar and Keep and Tasks. This lets you open up any of those three one at a time while you're in slides. Maybe you need a date. You want to see when you're going to present the thing, or you've got other information and where things are going to be. You can open up and see that from right here. You don't have to open it in another tab and switch back and forth. You can also get to Google Keep, which turns out for me to be really handy. I had my students brainstorm some things last week, week before, and we're going to take those things and use them to create a set of slides so they can get to the notes that they took about experiences they wanted to have and places they wanted to visit. And they can get to that note and use that information as they are creating another set of slides. They don't have to go back and forth. You don't have to get lost in having a bunch of tabs open. It can happen right here. And you can check things off and you can add to the note and you can make yourself a note about your progress in this set of slides. Tomorrow, I need to be sure and do this. I want to remember that I need to do that. You can send them a checklist of things, and in Google Keep, they can check off whatever it is that they needed to check off. So that turns out, once you realize it's there and what it can do, that really can be handy. If you've already brainstormed something, if you already know where the dates are, if you're using any of that information, same way with tasks. I know that I need to create this and do that, and here's my tasks. If you use this feature, you can get to it from within Google Slides. That's some of the new features that they've integrated in the last update. And this little sidebar of things shows up in Docs as well as other Google applications. It's just a matter of realizing that it's there and utilizing it. So again, Calendar, Keep, and Tasks, all from the sidebar here in Google Slides.